Howdy, hey, this is Big Mike, and today I'm at the Good Guys Car Show at Westworld. It's November 23rd, 2024. The video was taken, and what a cool car show in Scottsdale, Arizona. This video takes you straight into the heart of the action as we have witnessed this incredible car show as the cars and trucks are cruising out of the event on Saturday afternoon, about 4:30. From classic hot rods with flames on their sides to pristine muscle cars and resto mods, to the classic trucks that you all love. You won't want to miss this epic display of automotive artistry and history. So hang in there with me and let's check out this cool car show.
Go ahead and just turn it off. Yeah. That way I can get the motor turned. I know that. I'm not sure we can get out of here anyway, the way this looks.
What's that?
I think we might be stuck here anyway from here.
You know, Mike, as long as I am pretty much done today.
Alright.
Quarter after 4, so you got a long way to go.
Alright. That's got a motor on it.
That's what I was telling like yesterday. This is how it was going out. I'm like, Mike, you're missing out, man. This is not bad.
But honestly, I had to think I was too here.
I
couldn't
know.
leave.
I know. I know exactly where it's coming from.
But no, that's not something to see often. Is that a real one? I've never seen it have such.
No, they don't have SS lines like that.
I'm looking like.
That's somebody's creation. It's nice though. It's cool. You don't see too many 69 wagons like that.
Yeah, Chevelle.
It's got a slant.
is a golf cart from the 1900s.
Not as classic as yours, but it ain't bad.
Well, it's easier than I thought. The classic Malibu, baby. Oh, here's the one I gotta take a photo of. Smile. Really good.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I was out the main road yesterday. You know they're all coming out that way. No, you're getting the lion's share of it.
Well, I got my 74 crew cab short bed that I'm going to be. I'm going to get 12 valve into probably in 10 years.
Oh yeah.
Ford. That's a rare truck. Those crew cabs.
Ford? Yeah, that is.
74.
That would be a